Good morning, dear students. So welcome to our new academic year. And today we are going to learn from prose section. And first one is a short story, The Fun They Had, and it's written by Isaac Asimov. So here we can see that Isaac Asimov, he was one of the greatest short story writers of all time, and almost all his stories become popular also. And he tries to show the world in the future. And Isaac, you have to keep one more important thing. Isaac Asimov is an American short story writer. And the fun they had, it tries to show what may happen after 100 years. After 100 years. And it tries to show, we can see what will happen after 100 years. Unlike today, maybe children don't go to school. Maybe they are sitting at home. Now we can say because of the pandemic, maybe you are sitting at home and studying online learning. But here it's telling about what may happen after 100 years. Maybe unlike today, children don't go to school. They are not having human teachers. They are only having mechanical teachers or robotic teachers. So such a situation we can't predict anything. Anyway, this story tries to show what may happen after 100 years. Margie and Tommy are the main characters in this story, The Fun They Had. So, and this story takes us to the world of computers, take us to the world of future where these computers will play a major role. Take us to the future world where computers will play a major role and students are learning everything in a mechanical way, a robotic way of teaching. No human teachers. They are sitting in a home and learning everything through this robot. So let's see what happened in the life of Margie and Tommy. And this story moves through the characters Margie and Tommy. Let's see what is the story. And also Mamak section, it's given schools of the future, and it's talking about visual classroom and also learning through computers and robotic teaching. We can see in your Mamak section is given in your textbook. So we can see first paragraph, it's telling Margie, a little girl of the school, and she makes a diary entry. What is that diary entry? And she written like this way: Tommy had found a real book. So it's given Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17th May 2157. She wrote, today Tommy found a real book. So what's the thing? Little girl of the school in the story makes a diary entry. What is that? Today Tommy found a real book. So let's see what all things she written and what are the important points or how it will become surprising. One thing you have to find, keep in your mind, this story takes us to the world of future times, or about the we can see the computers will play a major role. And it was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So we can see that Tommy found an old yearbook and it's a printed paper, and Margie becomes surprised to see such type of paper or about such type of book, and they having information related with daily books only, and they never see a real book in their life, but now they become surprised to see the book. They turn the pages which were yellow and crinkled, and at the same time it's telling that very old book, and Margie's grandfather once told her there was a time when he was a little boy, his grandfather talked about that. But Margie and Tommy doesn't have any such ideas, but now Tommy found a real book and they become surprised. So then after, what are the details is given. So they were in, we can see that it's telling that we can see the conversation. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, but they will become funny to read the words, and it stood still. It's not moving at all. And then when they turned back to the pages before, it had the same words on it, and it had when they were reading for the first time, which means it's not moving at all. Then Tony is telling them it's only a waste, and because they are having a television screen and they have millions of books, and they can that's why they are telling that it's just a waste. Here the same, and Margie also is telling like that, and she's asking, where did you find this? He replied that it's from a storehouse. Then we can see Margie is telling about her school. What's her school? A room with a computer. Then Margie always hated school, but she hated it more than ever. Okay, yeah, even though they are having mechanical teachers, this Margie also become lazy to read, lazy to study with this mechanical teacher. That's why she is telling she always hated her school. Her school here means the computer. And why she become telling that she hated her school? The mechanical teacher had been giving test after test, and she was very lazy, very difficult to study geography. So anyway, she was very bad in weak in geography section. So her mother decided to give him more lessons or send for the county inspector. County inspector came and he needed to check the geography sector whether it is correct or not, or even if it is having any difficulties in learning, he may rectify the fault also. So her mother, Margie's mother, sent her for the county inspector. We can see county inspector came and we can see he was a round little man. Then we can see the description of county inspector. He came with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. Then took the teacher apart. So we can see, students, we can see that it's just only a slot, okay, slot where all these things are always in a systematic way or mechanical way. So county inspector came and going to rectify the fault. We can see who is the fault. And then took the teacher apart. Margie had hope he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how alright. And after an hour, it was again, large and black in the gray, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That isn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. So she given clearly that she hated the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. And she always had to write them out in a punch code, and that made her learn when she was in mechanical teacher calculated the thing in the things immediately. And the inspector, so we can see inspector had smiled after he was finished rectify the fault, and he said to her mother, it's not little girl's fault. Already told about the geography sector, it's very difficult to study. But county inspector is telling that it's not the fault of this little girl, but geography sector was geared a little quick. That sector was geared a little quick. That's why he become slowed to an average 10 year level because it was too quick. So he become slowed to an average 10 year level. And he patted Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed. Why? We can see that county inspector came and rectified the fault. Then also Margie become disappointed. Why? She was so sad. Let's see. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away together. She thought that county inspector came and took the teacher apart. But nothing happened. He find out the problem, then find a solution for that. And they had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So she is telling that once Tommy's teacher having such problem, that day county inspector came and took the teacher apart. And after a month, he again get that. So that time he don't want to study anything. So Margie also thought like that. Margie thought that he came and took the teacher apart for a month sometimes, but nothing happened. On spot, he rectified the fault. That's why Margie became disappointed. She also not ready to study everything or not ready to do the homework and so on. Then Tommy looked at her with a very superior eyes because it's not our kind. So then we can see after that it is giving a description about the old kind of school. And he was telling that they were in a separate building for about the school, and children came to it willingly, and they were having human teachers, and kids of the same age group are learning there. And they are learning the same things and for the same homework, not different homework at all. As students, for example, what we are learning now. Now means when you are in a regular class, what we are learning. We are sitting in a class, learning everything. We are having a human teacher, and we are writing the homework in our book, and our teacher directly came and rectified the fault. So like that way. And its description we can see Tommy is telling the kind of school. What was the specialities? Special building, human teachers, and having these kids are sitting together and they are learning same things, not different, everything same. And they would help each other and discuss it. So they could help each other and discuss the things. Then we can see, and also it's telling, 7th paragraph it's telling that there was a smart teacher teaching everything. And a teacher, and also there is a suggestion that teacher has to be adjusted with the to fit the mind of each student, and has to taught different things. Different things means some students are average students, some are brilliant, above average, below average. Such a type of students may be there. So teacher needed to study, needed to teach to adjust with the or fit the mind of each boy or girl that she wanted to, or girl teachers, and each student need to teach taught differently. And we can see Margie's school. Margie, then we can see in between their conversation, Margie is calling by her mother, and it's time to school. And again going to her room and studying with that through that mechanical teacher. And the screen we can see how she was studying in front of the computer. We can see first of all screen was light up, and it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. It's given in the 9th paragraph. And here we can see after knowing about schools of olden times, she first of all we can see that she becomes surprised. She was in disbelief. Later she wondered how schools must have been in the, and now she becomes surprised. She becomes surprised to know all information related with the old kind of school, and now she is going to learn her lessons through mechanical way. And we can see she wondered how the schools must be in the olden days, how in the olden days. And also it's telling the screen was lighter, but she is doing something there, but her mind was always in the old kind of school. Okay, and she was thinking Margie did everything. First of all we can see it's given in please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. The mechanical teacher is asking homework also, and Margie did so with a sigh. She is not interested. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather was a little boy, and she was thinking like that day when we can see Margie's thoughts. She was thinking, what fun in the kids might be in the past. So we can see all the kids from the whole neighborhood came together, laughing and shouting, playing. They are enjoying. At the same time, we can see they are learning the same things. So they can help each other. They are having a lot of friends. There was a cooperation. They are much interested. So I think now you are having such a feeling. You are having a lot of work, and which means you can't enjoy the school. And actually you are missing your school days. Same thing happened actually. These students, Tommy and the little girl didn't have such an experience, but you already had. Now because of the pandemic you are sitting at home and learning. But this girl, they are not at all having such experience, and they are having this information through that book only. But now she was thinking like that. They are having a lot of fun. And the teachers were people also. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we are fractions. It's given, for example, which means in between her studies, it's given like that. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. So we can say that man is a social animal, and togetherness and cooperation are essential qualities that one must need. Without cooperation, without togetherness, there is no life at all. There is no life at all. In the case of Margie, they become surprised to get, or they become interested to read such and things, but they never get such a time. And here we can see that it's given how she was thinking about the fun they had. Fun they had means the people who lived in the olden days, or the students who learned in the olden days. As students, I told you this chapter takes up into the world of future, where computers play a major role. Mechanical way of teaching, a robotic way of teaching. Okay, and they are thinking about the olden days until now, and it is happening after 100 years. So students, maybe you can't predict such a situation may occur. You can't predict, but togetherness and cooperation is essential for each and every life of a human. So keep this theme in your mind and read your text very well. Complete your notes on time, and have to make familiar with your meanings and so on. and I'll give you homeworks also. I have to prepare how your future or experiment. What difference do you see between the school of future and that of current time? What is the difference you can see between the school of future and the current time? Have to think about the difference. Write in your rough book. Okay, so these are the main points that you have to keep in your mind. Anyway, we will see you next day.